In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create celebrity Polaroids with Gemini, featuring none other than Leonardo DiCaprio. If you've ever wanted to blend the charm of a classic Polaroid with the glamour of Hollywood, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. You can do this by simply typing Google into your address bar and pressing enter. This step is fundamental, as we'll be using Google to access everything we need today. Once you're on the Google homepage, go ahead and type Google Gemini into the search bar. Gemini is the tool that will help us create those stunning celebrity Polaroids. As you type, Google will likely offer autocomplete suggestions, which can speed up your search. Once you've typed in Google Gemini, hit enter to initiate the search. With the search results displayed, look for the official Google Gemini website. It should be one of the top results. You'll click on that link to access Gemini's platform. Before clicking, double-check that you're picking the correct site to ensure your online safety. Once on the Google Gemini page, you'll want to look for an option that says Create Image. This feature is represented by a little banana icon, and clicking on it will start the process of creating our Polaroid image. This is where the creative part begins. Next, you'll see an option with a plus sign icon. This icon allows you to upload images. Here, you'll need two images, one of yourself and the other of Leonardo DiCaprio. If you haven't already, take a moment to download a photo of Leo from a reliable source. Once you're ready, click the plus sign and upload both images. Now comes the fun part, prompting. You'll want to give Gemini an idea of what kind of image you're trying to create. In this case, you might suggest something like a candid Polaroid-style photo capturing a warm hug between two people softly lit with flash in a dim room against simple white curtains. This description gives the AI a clear vision of your desired outcome. Once your prompt is set and everything looks good, the last step is to click Submit. This action sends your request through the Gemini system, and within moments, your unique celebrity Polaroid featuring Leonardo DiCaprio and yourself will be ready. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Polaroid-style image with a touch of Hollywood. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Feel free to share your creations or any comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!